Hello everyone and welcome to our Canva course. In this course, I'm going to be covering the fundamentals and some tips and tricks to make your experience using Canva a whole lot smoother. So let's start with, what is Canva? Well, Canva is a graphic design platform that's suitable for people and teams wanting to design anything from logos, social media content, to even business presentations, documents, and so much more. Now, you might be wondering, what is the difference between Photoshop and Canva? Well, Photoshop is much older and it's extremely powerful. It's a very powerful photo editing software. It has tons of functionalities and you can design just about anything. However, I find all of these functionalities to be a little overwhelming, especially for beginners. Canva is much simpler and it even provides you with templates that you could customize to better suit your business, and it doesn't take as long to get the gist of it. So now that we know what it is, where to find it. Now go ahead and open your browser and type in canva.com. And it's as simple as that. I can see the homepage. Now I'm going to make an account. You can log in or sign up, and you can do that with your Google account, Facebook, Apple, or email. I'm going to do it with my Google, and we're in. So before we go over the homepage, let's talk a little about the different accounts that I could have. So right now I'm using a free version, but I could switch over to a pro. Personally, I think if you're starting out, it's not necessary to have the pro, but let's go over the differences real quick. So this is everything the pro has to offer. So premium features such as the brand kit, which is really great. So you put in the fonts you want and the color palettes, and you could change it anytime. The content planner is also a great feature, and the free background remover is also another great feature. So for example, the background, the magic resize. Let's say I originally intended this to be an Instagram story, but now I want to use it as a Facebook post. I can switch right then and there. And then content planner, which I will be showing you guys in more detail. So with this account, the free account, we get a good amount of free templates, designs, and free photos and graphics, hundreds of thousands, and I can still invite members to my team, collaborate, and comment in real time, and I get 5 gigabytes of cloud storage. Now, the Pro has all of this, but it has way more stock photos, videos, audios, and graphics, much more premium free templates, and provides new designs daily. It's the brand kit, again, logo, fonts, and everything comes with it. The image background remover, this feature really comes in handy, but I could totally do it without the pro as well. I would just have to switch over to another website. The resize design that we talked about, saving my designs as templates that my team members can customize, 100 gigabytes of cloud storage, and I could schedule social media content to 8 platforms. This is really great, especially if you're extremely busy and you need to make sure that content is posted at a specific time. That's really great. And here you could choose how many people you have in your team. So to show you guys the content planner a little closer, I'm going to come here, starting with the brand kit. As you can see, it's a pro feature. So I would insert my logo here, and I could have these colors ready. So let's say choose the colors that my brand does. For example, here. And let's say here, for example. Anything like that, and also the text styles, and I could even upload fonts. And the content planner, which is a great feature, allows you to stay up to date with current events. So let's say for the month of February, it was Lunar New Year. Well, it offers templates that go well with that day and have that theme. And for example, let's say I'm running an NGO, Random Acts of Kindness Day would be an important day for my brand. And I could look forward to upcoming days such as World Wildfire Day or International Women's Day. I could design something for this and have it ready, and using this schedule content, have it be posted by the 8th or the 3rd without me being too involved. So this is just what the Pro offers. And again, as I mentioned, for starting out, I don't find it to be necessary. And in fact, I would suggest that you guys play around a little with the free account just to get to know the free features first and then move on to Pro. So now that we've learned this, we can start our designing journey.